So, beginning of the trip. Macy, are you excited? Hi, babies. Hello. Ready?
Yeah.
Well,
I have a really good idea. I'm wearing 2 pairs of socks because you know how you have to take off your shoes and security, and like I feel weird about germs, so I'm gonna take off my socks.
Have you seen snow lately?
No, I haven't seen snow since I was like 12.
12? Oh my. Y'all get ready to go into a snowstorm.
Woo! Snowstorm!
I brought some snacks.
Are you the snack?
I don't even know how long it is before you can return to your little, I don't even know. I got a few things I gotta do.
Okay, let's go. Are you excited?
I haven't like flown since like way before COVID. Most stressful lift ride ever.
It was snowing and we were swerving and
Almost hit the side rail.
yeah, oh my gosh, and there was chunks of snow. Look, that's what she meant by snacks are free.
I'm done. A pack of Cheez-Its.
She literally said the snacks are free and the tea is too.
How cute it is.
I know. Oh my gosh. Look at our view. Macy loves it too. Do you know how magical this feels? I'm so happy.
That's good, me too. I'm just really hungry. It is 11:30 at night in the middle of a fucking snowstorm. And there's no food.
This place actually had like a really good sounding pizza. It's like, what is it? Chicken,
I don't know what it is.
gluten-free, vegan, garlic pizza. It sounds bomb. Look at Macy.
Oh no! Poor baby.
We're like 2 minutes in. There are tents. There are tents. There's a lot of tents. Yeah, I don't think, can I be honest with you? I don't think we're in a good part of town.
Probably not.
This is beautiful though. I've never actually been in the snow like this.
God. We finally made it to the pizza. Vegan and gluten-free at midnight.
I know.
Walking through a snowstorm.
20
Oh,
minutes.
my poor doggy. Oh my gosh, we gotta get back.
I know, it's cold.
Got the pizza. I can't even breathe. I mean, I can't even have the energy to laugh. My legs are so cold, but my armpits are like fucking sore.
Hi, Macy. Good morning.
Hi, future Ashley here, editing this video, realizing that we did not film it that well. So here we have Sam running in the snow. We are on day 2 here in Seattle, and the snow was just so deep, and it's just so crazy that we even came here during this time. But yeah, it was super pretty, and yeah, I just wanted to talk over this because it was some really pretty pictures. And yeah, this girl right here, she literally was wearing the same outfit as me. She looked like my twin. Same girl, same. Now we are gonna go to Pike Place Market.
another street behind it.
I said that at first, didn't I?
You did. Thank you.
After that, we ate that food, and now we're going on another useless trip because we're childish.
Ready? Ready, Freddy. Ready, Macy. Round 50. Hey! Oh wow. Okay, so where to next? Oh my god, there's a penis. Oh my god.
Hey, look, the Space Needle's over there. Literally, this entire trip we spent in the hotel room in between useless walks and food, and now we're gonna go get dinner.
How are you? My feet are cold. Oh no, really? How are you? Good. I feel bad that your feet are cold. It's okay. It's pretty miserable. If they get frostbite, it's gonna be like Mr. Deeds. You're gonna have to accept my black toes. Oh no. What is it? The roof? 20?
Yeah.
Roof deck, restaurant and bar located on the 5th floor.
Oh.
Oh, damn it. So this needs to be stirred, and we don't know how else to stir it besides literally sticking our knife in it and stirring it.
Oh.
I promise we're classy. At least she is.
More pictures. I'm so sorry that we did not film more. But you know, we'll get better. We'll get better.
It doesn't really exist, you know, the coldness.
Remember the liquid relaxation of warmth.
Honestly, that's what I'm doing right now. Because if not, the water that went on my right foot, I'd be freaking out. I was imagining, what would you call it? Liquid relaxation
Yeah.
on my feet. I didn't actually expect actual liquid to be.
Damn.
Feet.
Law of attraction. Oops. Hypnotherapy gone wrong.
So it's really cold out and we can't feel our feet.
I need like 3 more shots of vodka.
But you know what the good part is? We're here. And also, you look really pretty. You don't look drunk. But if we were drunk, our feet would be warmer.
Oh my god. They're hurting.
I know, they hurt really bad.
Bad.
No, it is really starting to get bad. So we were going to film a pretty closing on us actually zipping up these bags, but this is the reality of the situation.
Okay. Our last day here in Seattle. And it keeps off and on snowing, so we're not sure if the flight is gonna get canceled.
I think that it might, but fingers crossed.
It's whatever happens.
is meant to happen.
Exactly. We just checked out of our hotel and this just happened.
Now I can go to work and catch bad guys. So thank you.
Bye. Bye. Have a good day.
Basically, I have to right now.
So it's crazy because like I basically offered to help this girl get unstuck because she was really struggling getting her car out. There's like vents right here, so this is really loud. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, we're past those. And then like all these people just like came and offered to help too. And it was just like a chain effect, like one after the other. But yeah, that was kind of cool.
If you never said anything, I would have never said anything. And then everyone else didn't follow along.
Yeah. Kind of crazy how people will just like come together as long as you start it. Like people are always so afraid to like do things.
What do they call it? The bystander effect?
Oh yeah?
Yep. The bystander effect is people will just watch, but until they see something going on, they won't really do anything about it. They're just bystanders. Why do you think people record bad shit?
Yeah, bystanders. Exactly. And that's like the whole problem right now. Like that's the whole problem with like Black Lives Matter and everything is like people just like fucking standing by and watching. Not actually like doing anything. Okay, well we're gonna go get coffee now.
Wow, we're doing the same thing as me. Wow. Copycat.
You're a copycat.
First.
No.
I started mine first.
But mine, what Zoom is yours on?
0.5.
Oh. Well, so is mine.
Well, you know what? The only argument we get in is about who started the camera first. Isn't it pretty? Like the colors? Look at the red with the green, with the white. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then the background, it's just, it's gorgeous. It's fine. The life of a photographer never ends.
Huh? The life of what?
A photographer never ends. I don't know, that really didn't make sense. What I meant is I'm holding a lot of shit.
I got you.
Yeah. About to take some cute photos. Look at these cute little snowmen. And then there's one over there. Halfway done. I don't know, this is just so cute.
So here we are. It is 1:47 and we got this coffee shop. It turned out perfect. It's beautiful in here. The people are pretty chill, like the vibe is there. And now she's gonna get some work done. I'm gonna get some work done. Macy's chilling over there. She was able to get some immunity boost. I got some coffee. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
Our navigator right here, taking us to the Thai place. Meanwhile, we have Macy just chilling, being the co-pilot.
I knew it was like upstairs.
This is why she navigates, and I just chill. Good job.
The button didn't light up. I don't know if it's working.
Hi.
Hey.
She found it.
Look at that little boy who's about to slide down the stairs.
Oh my gosh. Waiting at the bus stop.
Oh God.
Going to the train. We just took buses. A bus, a few buses, I don't really know.
Just like one.
One for this time. And then you guys saw the other bus.
Mezzanine going up.
the apocalypse.
Nobody's here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Macy, how you doing?
We'll be home soon.
Macy, both you and I are tired. I think that Mom is tired too, but she seems more awake than us. She's a real one. She's been like chilling and being so good. Such a good baby.
Ice here, right here. Like literally ice here. Wow, someone like literally peed in here.
How do you know they peed?
Doesn't it smell like it?
I don't know. I'm not smelling anything. Macy, look, my foot matches yours. It's just one solid foot. You see? You see?
There we go. We take it for the bone. Wait, let me kick it.